What are you doing here? I'm recording. Get out.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today's video going to be very excited because I want to show you guys my filming room slash makeup room slash room to get glam and look flawless for you guys. So yes, today's the day, and let's just get it clear that whatever I show you guys is what I bought with my money. No PR at all. I don't get paid from YouTube. I don't get paid from YouTube at all. Nobody sent me stuff. So everything that I'm gonna show you guys is what I buy over the period of maybe, I would say, 3 years. So this stuff that I'm gonna show you guys is like 3 years in the making. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my phone to film and show you guys what I have in front of me and show you the whole shenanigans or whatever you call it. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is my camera that I'm using. Hi, you can see me. Hey, hi, how you doing? Okay, so what I'm saying is right now is that I'm gonna show you what I have. My camera is the Canon Eco Rebel. Let me show you. Let me see. It's the Canon Rebel SLR right here. All right, and this is what I use to film. This microphone is no use. Like, it's no use. I'm using my my phone microphone to film as we speak. So yeah, I'm bougie. But also the box light I got from Amazon. I got 2 of them. I think I paid like $100 and something for them. I don't remember. So these are what I get from Amazon. They're really good. I don't have the fancy light like everybody else have, but I'm starting off, and everything I buy with my own money. So down here I have my lip stuff. You guys already know that I love using this. And what else? My favorite, Bad Gal Bang, and my concealers here, my lipsticks, all different company lipstick. This is you guys know what I use to color correct. This is the glue from NYX, like a glitter glue primer. MAC, all kind of stuff. And then in the second drawer here, I have my Anastasia, I have my NYX, all different stuff for my eyes. And then down here, I have my lip liners, all my lip liners, different company, all of them right here, my lip liners. So this is what I bought from Amazon also. It's very inexpensive. Then over here, I have my drugstore lashes, which I love so much. Like, these drugstore lashes is really nice, seriously. And then you guys know I always use this. This is what I always use. And then my makeup wipes, regular makeup wipes. And then this is what I use to look at myself. Ooh, girl, damn. And then I have my tweezer here and lip scrub. And I have my MAC Gold Deposit, Anastasia, only blush I use, and my Jackie Aina, hey girl. And then over here I have my lipstick. No, not my lipstick. My chapstick. Then I have my Only Pods Dry Skin Cream that I use. This is like heaven right here. And then I have all my brushes here. Small, medium, large. Then over here I really got a small one for the eyes. This is just a regular cup that I found in my kitchen. I don't know what I was using it for, but I just put it, and yeah. Then I have my NYX, my Fenty, my e.l.f. I love, and my MAC, Sacha Buttercup, Fenty. These are some of my foundation are right here. Fenty, Kat Von D, MAC. This one is the Huda. And then I have my hair products here. And these are my beauty sponges. And then here now I have this thing that I got from Amazon. This is like a reflection. So this is the gold one. It's messy right now, but this is the gold one. I don't know if you can see it good, but that's the gold one. And then underneath I have the silver. So that's it. And then over here now, behind these lights are the rest of my makeup. So I have the Fenty, the infamous Fenty red lipstick right here. And then I have some twirly stuff. This is what I got from Amazon. These are my rest of my lipstick here, MAC, all of that stuff. And then in here you have the rest of my makeup. You know, it's messy, it's a messy drawer, but I have the rest of my makeup. This I got from Amazon. It's really nice. I don't remember how much comes in it, but it's really nice. And then what else do I have here? I don't have much stuff. Yeah, nothing in this drawer. So over here I have the backdrop here, and this yellow backdrop I got from the fabric store. It's so pretty. And then these tweezer hook thing I got from Home Depot. I think I paid like $1. So I got a couple of them. Squeeze it so that the material could stretch and don't look crushed. And then the backdrop, I don't know what you call it, but when I figured out, I'll put it up on the screen. I got this from Amazon, and the light right here is like a reflection you see behind me. So I just turn it on like that, and you will kind of see like a reflection. You know, I don't have the expensive one like, you know, those famous YouTubers, but hey, whatever. So these are my mannequin heads that I use and make my wigs. They're all here. And then this chair, I think I got it from, I don't remember. I don't remember, Staples, something. All right, and then some of these stuff over the backdrop. This is a material that I got from the fabric store. So I have a couple of them. I think I have like 8 backdrop, different colors. So these are what I have it on. And then yeah, pretty much I'm just a regular YouTuber. So this is my Fleming room, simple, cute, and nice. Okay guys, so pretty much that's it for the regular girl, regular YouTuber who don't get PR. This is me. Like, this is me. This is my makeup room. I'm just a simple regular girl who just do makeup for fun. Hopefully later on in the future I could do it as like a full-time job, but for now, everything that I show you, I bought it over the period of 3 years, and I love it. I enjoy doing it. And you don't have to go all out. You could even use your camera, as I show you guys how I film on my camera. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. You better subscribe because I'm just a regular girl. I don't know, whatever. Subscribe if you like me. I'm a really sweet girl, so subscribe, okay? But yeah, I hope you enjoy, and definitely check me out in my next video. Bye guys.